Think you can't buy an ocean view two-bedroom home in Costa Rica for under $300,000? Think again. This is the one. Tucked away in the peaceful community of Chontales, just 30 minutes south of Ojochal and approximately 20 minutes to Palmar, where you will find grocery stores, banks, fuel, shopping, and restaurants. Unlike many homes in this price range, this property has never been used as a vacation rental. It's always been a full-time residence that has pride of ownership evident throughout. Beautiful Costa Rican cedar throughout the cabinets, the ceilings, and the furnishings. This home comes equipped with a refreshing pool and an outdoor shower. This property is beautifully landscaped with some gorgeous mature palms and also fruit trees, including a mango and this lime tree, plus a pineapple patch. Affordable homes like this do not stay on the market for long. Contact me for details.